Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to change Facebook profile picture. So let's get started. So guys, to change Facebook profile picture, you have to simply open your Chrome browser and type in search bar facebook.com. Guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So to change profile picture, here you can see the option of account. Click on account. Now in account, you have to click here. So to change picture, here you can see the camera icon. So click on it. So you can see some options. Upload photo, create an avatar profile picture, add frame or edit thumbnail. So here I'm going to click on upload photo. So guys, here I'm going to upload this photo. So simply double click on it. Now adjust the photo, and here you can see the option of description. You can add description if you want. I don't want, so I'm not going to type description. So from here you can increase or decrease size. So after that you have to simply click on save. So here you can see a profile picture has been uploaded. So to hide notifications from anyone, you have to refresh it. So guys, here you can see Muhammad Awais updated his profile picture. So to stop sending notifications to anyone, here you can see three dots. So click on it. Now in this option, you can see the option of turn off notifications for this post. So click on it. So after doing this, it stops sending notifications to anyone. So guys, here you can see we have changed the Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. So you can also change the Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.